What if your engineering expertise didn't just support buildings, but supported an entire community? At Fairfax County Government, we're building more than infrastructure. We're building spaces where people learn, work, receive services, and thrive every single day. And right now, we're looking for a mechanical engineer, Engineer 4, to help lead that mission. This is a senior-level leadership role for an experienced mechanical professional, ready to make a real impact. As an Engineer 4, you'll lead the development and management of large-scale and complex capital and non-capital projects, many of them in occupied, mission-critical facilities. These are projects that demand technical excellence, coordination across departments, and smart, solutions-driven leadership. You'll serve as Fairfax County's primary engineering representative, resolving construction challenges, setting project objectives, and ensuring quality, performance, and safety at every stage. Your expertise will directly shape the design, operation, and lifecycle management of HVAC systems, plumbing systems, and building automation systems across a diverse portfolio of commercial facilities. You'll review and seal your own engineering work, perform detailed calculations, evaluate plans for code compliance, and ensure projects are delivered on time, on budget, and to the highest professional standards. And as a licensed professional engineer, you'll also serve as a trusted subject matter expert supporting facilities management and partnering with departments across the county. But what truly sets this role apart is where you'll do this work. Fairfax County Government is nationally recognized for innovation, stability, and public service excellence. Here, your work has purpose, your voice matters, and your leadership helps shape spaces that serve over 1 million residents. We offer a collaborative environment, long-term career growth, and the satisfaction of knowing your engineering decisions make a lasting difference. And to welcome you aboard, new county employees hired into this Engineer 4 role are eligible for a $5,000 signing bonus. If you're a professional mechanical engineer with experience leading commercial building design, managing contracts, optimizing energy performance, and delivering high-quality projects in occupied environments, this is your opportunity. An opportunity to lead, an opportunity to serve, an opportunity to build for the future. Join Fairfax County Government as Mechanical Engineer, Engineer 4, and put your expertise to work where it truly matters. Apply today and help build the spaces that keep Fairfax County moving forward.